Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to explore one of the most exciting technologies of our time, artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is transforming the way we work, learn, communicate, and solve problems. From smartphones to self-driving cars, AI is becoming a major part of our daily lives. In this video, we'll learn what AI is, how it works, where it's used, and why it matters for the future. Let's get started. You may think AI is something futuristic, but the truth is that most of us already use AI every day. When your phone unlocks using face recognition, that's AI. When Netflix recommends movies you'll probably enjoy, that's AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, and Gemini are also powered by AI. Many people use AI daily without even realizing it. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? Simply put, AI is the ability of machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, understanding language, and recognizing images. AI is not magic. It's built using mathematics, data, and algorithms. Major areas of AI include machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. The idea of intelligent machines has existed for decades. In 1950, computer scientist Alan Turing proposed the famous Turing test to determine whether a machine could exhibit intelligent behavior. In 1956, the term artificial intelligence was officially introduced at the Dartmouth Conference. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. In 2012, breakthroughs in deep learning sparked a new AI revolution. And since 2022, generative AI tools such as ChatGPT have rapidly changed the technology landscape. Not all AI is the same. First, there's narrow AI. This type of AI specializes in a single task, such as voice assistants, recommendation systems, or spam filters. Second, there's artificial general intelligence, or AGI. AGI would be capable of human-level reasoning across many different tasks. Currently, AGI does not exist. Finally, there's artificial superintelligence, or ASI. This is a hypothetical form of AI that would surpass human intelligence. For now, ASI remains a concept discussed by researchers and futurists. Machine learning is the engine behind most modern AI systems. In traditional programming, developers write explicit rules for the computer to follow. In machine learning, we provide data, and the system learns patterns and rules from that data. There are three major types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. This ability to learn from data is what makes AI so powerful. Modern AI systems often use neural networks. These networks are inspired by the structure of the human brain. Information flows through layers of interconnected nodes. There is an input layer, one or more hidden layers, and an output layer. When many hidden layers are used, we call it deep learning. Deep learning powers technologies such as image recognition, speech recognition, and large language models. Training an AI model involves several important steps. First, large amounts of data are collected. Next, the data is cleaned and prepared. Then, developers choose a model architecture. The model is trained by making predictions, measuring errors, and adjusting itself to improve accuracy. After training, the model is evaluated and fine-tuned. Finally, it is deployed for real-world use. This process can take days, weeks, or even months depending on the complexity of the model. One of the most impressive areas of AI is natural language processing, or NLP. NLP helps machines understand, interpret, and generate human language. Modern language models use technologies such as tokenization, embeddings, and attention mechanisms. A major breakthrough came in 2017 with transformer models. These models revolutionized language understanding and paved the way for systems like GPT and BERT. Generative AI is the newest wave of AI technology. Unlike traditional AI, generative AI can create content. It can generate text, images, code, audio, and even videos. Large language models, or LLMs, are trained on enormous amounts of data. Examples include ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Midjourney. These systems predict the most likely next word, image element, or code segment to generate useful outputs. AI is already transforming many industries. In healthcare, AI helps detect diseases and accelerate drug discovery. In education, AI provides personalized tutoring and learning assistance. In engineering, AI supports design optimization and simulations. Creative professionals use AI for image generation, video editing, and music production. Software developers use AI-powered coding assistants to increase productivity. The possibilities continue to expand every year. Understanding AI gives you a significant advantage in today's world. You don't need to be a researcher or programmer to start learning about AI. Curiosity and continuous learning are enough to begin. AI is not something that belongs only to the future. It's already here, and it's shaping the world around us. The best time to learn about AI is today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more content on AI, engineering, technology, and innovation. See you in the next video.